Welcome everyone. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to quickly and easily delete software and games off of your Nintendo Switch. So I'm using the new Nintendo Switch without that exploit, but it doesn't matter which Switch you're running. So just go into settings right here. Then I want you to find data management. Then I want you to find software, and that will show you all of your games. And you can see Fortnite is taking up a whole 10 gigabytes, so we're going to delete that. So we'll click on Fortnite. And you can see we have two options: archive software, saying it will be archived to free up storage space. Essentially, you can see only save data and the icon on the home screen will remain. So you'll keep your saved data and it will show up on the home screen, but the actual game itself will be removed. Or we can delete software, which is going to remove saved data, and it's going to remove the game, and it's going to also remove the game from your home screen. So I'm going to click on delete, then delete. And now it's going to completely wipe out Fortnite and the Fortnite data off of my Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to go to the home page, and you can see Fortnite was just there, but now it's gone. Now I don't have that many games, so let me know good Nintendo Switch games in the comments so I can actually start playing my Switch again, and I'll see you guys later.